right, roundabout, roundabout. Oh, merging issue. Don't rev bomb. There's no real use to that. All right, so the roundabout, when you come to this, you usually typically have a merging issue or a path of travel violation. Right here, though, look where we're at. We're consistently off at an angle. This is the car up front. This is us. Doesn't matter how far you are away from them. You're still in the blind spot. Okay, that blind spot is still in that cone, in that direction. So you need to get up front, side by side, or way behind so that you're not going to have this issue. So right here, we're still in the blind spot, so I'd roll up the throttle just a little bit. Now, this is a non-issue at this point. Yeah, I know he's not supposed to go into our lane. He's not supposed to do that. Okay, I get it. I get it. Class, I understand. He's not supposed to do that. The problem is that we are there. So what do? We're supposed to roll off the throttle, apply some brakes, or we can escape through that if we were going really fast and couldn't slow down in time. So those are the two options: slow down right here or escape through. It doesn't feel like we need to escape through. We can go ahead and slow it down. So just do that. It's a non-issue. Don't worry about doing this. Don't worry about doing that. There's no reason to do that. If you want to pull in the clutch, fine, to remove power from the rear wheel, but that's not going to do any engine braking. So if you roll off the throttle, it's going to do some engine braking, which is deceleration. Okay, or just apply some front brake pressure, just a little bit. All it would take is 20-30%, not much. And that's it. Now, see right here, though, now we got to merge. What are we doing? Are we going to get in front? More than likely, that's what this driver was doing. Just wanted to merge real quick. Didn't see ya. Wasn't paying attention. Motion induced, inattentional, blind spot, all these different reasons. Now that you know, all you should care about is your own safety. Find those escape paths. Do what you need to do to get out of there.